Okay, so I have a couple more of these steam engines, I'm sorry, that I picked up. Now this one here, as you can see on it, this is a Stewart. I'm pretty sure it's an S10. It's all dirty because it was on a shelf. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is an S10 model. Doesn't really say it, but when I purchased it, it was supposed to be an S10. So I made something to just so I could test it. And of course, there's not enough. Okay, there we go. Yeah, right now I have it regulated down to I think it's, yeah, it's a little over 20. So I'll put it up a little bit. A little hard to do all this with just one hand, of course, as usual. So that's it, running at about 30, I guess. Want to turn that up a little bit more? Yeah, turn, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, that's about 30 pounds per square inch right there going into it. There's a working mechanism. Oh, the working mechanism of it. It's actually, these things are pretty cool. It's leaking a little bit there. I'm going to have to check these nuts. Seems like it's leaking a little bit right there. But, yeah, seems to work pretty good. I can get this one working, but this one here I can't seem to get working. It's quite a bit tighter than the other one. But, pretty well runs on the same principle. So, but I might try just loosening up the bearings here a little bit. I don't know if it's the bearings are just too loose or too tight. I'm not sure. But this one's quite a bit tighter than this one. This one here is nice and loose. But that one's a lot tighter. But yeah, so just testing out a couple more of these steam engines. I've never tested them, so I have a nice day here. I decide to where I've adapted this air tank to be able to do different things, and it's regulated that I can change the pressure, so I'm able to just test these out. I doubt very much I'm going to put steam on them, but I just mainly want to test them out. Now this one here, yeah, I gotta try and get this one going. This one here you could actually hook up to a motor. That one there just has a flywheel. Suppose you could put a belt around the flywheel. But yeah, that's it.